Have you been denied for a car loan? Have you been held back for a foreclosure? Smimarter Bookkeeping and Tax Services. Here at Smimarter, we identify credit problems, we increase your score by removing inaccuracies, we repair collections, tax liens, inquiries. They say bad credit is forever. We say, you can fix it. Take the first step to improve your credit. Call today, 203-295-4359. Gain your financial freedom back. Visit us today, www.smimarter.com. Smimarter Bookkeeping and Tax Services. Sign up today.